Hello guys, this is another project I'm doing. I picked up this frame. On the top I'm changing the wood to new wood because the top was rotten, and I'll spray paint the bottom black, the block for the frame, because it's iron. It's easier to paint and cover all the rust. That also primes it and paints it at the same time. So at the top we're gonna replace with new wood and then put a hutch shelf on top. So this is how it looks now as I spray painted the bottom, and then it needs another coat, but it's black. Okay guys, this is the frame that I'm using for the top part of a display case or a hutch, whatever you want to call it. I replaced the top. Remember I showed you that it was rotten, so what I did is I replaced it with new wood, and now it's ready to be painted, and then place the hutch on top. So I basically needed the bottom part of the hutch that was missing from the top. So this one I'm gonna paint it a black color, or close to black, which is kind of like a charcoal color. So I'm gonna start by doing that today, then I'll show you. So this is the color I'm gonna be putting on it. It's a chalkboard writable erasable latex paint, and I use it like a stain, or depends how you wanna use it. So I'm using this because it's gonna cover it, and we'll see, it's gonna have like a matte finish. Okay guys, so this is how it looks now. I painted the bottom, also on the top. So now I'm gonna be letting it dry for a little bit, and then I'm going to put the other part that goes on top, the part for the hutch or the display case, the wooden one that goes on top, and that part I won't paint. I will just clean it up and let it be on top of this. Okay, so this will be the bottom part of the display case or hutch. I put the cable underneath. Now we're going to screw the top hutch to the bottom, so it will look like this. And so I decided to do last minute changes. I decided to do like a trim on the top, which I'm painting like a light beige color, only the top, and the rest will stay the same. So it will look like this. So it's basically kind of like a display hutch that I made with the bottom that I painted earlier, and now I'm doing the trim on the top. Okay guys, so this is the end of my project. I did the trim on the top, and I added the bottom part that was missing to this piece of furniture, and the project is finished. So again, thanks for watching, and if you haven't seen my videos, click subscribe, and also don't forget to click the like button. See you on my next project.